What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Milady meme coin, which has once again hit a huge green candlestick guys. It is up over 49%, nearly 50% in the last 24 hours, performing very well, currently trading at this value here. So we're going to be going through again what is next for Milady meme coin. Is it going to keep hitting red candles for the rest of March? Is it likely to go for a price correction? And also there's been a lot of news around Milady meme coin getting listed on Binance. No official news, but a lot of comments online, which I will also be going through, looking at, is it actually going on Binance, is it not, and if so, how will it get affected price wise, and also covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is now the time to buy it, is it too late, should you sell it, or should you simply hold on to it, and also looking at his prediction for the rest of 2024. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. And as you guys can see, we are at a very critical point right now. The crypto has basically broken out from the dark green zone into the blue zone. So is it likely to drop back down into the dark green zone, or is it likely to pump up even higher, potentially heading into the top tier level, is what I'm also going to be covering in this video. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So let's look at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Milady meme coin, which is here in purple at this value here. However, the crypto is actually trading at a much higher value here in green, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. However, that also does mean that the crypto may be slightly overvalued and may be in for a little bit of a dip, but we will be going through that later on. So for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected from Milady meme coin over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow midday, the crypto should have taken a little bit of a step back in value. However, it is likely to hit more green candles over the coming hours, as it's likely to pump up a little bit higher than where it is at the moment, and then slowly starting to drop back down in the early hours of tomorrow, trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, is what I'm expecting. But again, nothing too crazy guys. It's going to be a very minimal drop in value. So moving on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days, what can we see here? We're looking a little bit skeptical. We do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for Milady meme coin? So according to the graph, is an overall fluctuation in value around its current price range is what is expected by mid next week. However, from the analysis and predictions that I have done, I'm expecting Milady meme coin to be going for an overall increase in value over the coming week, potentially going up 40 to 45% increase from its current price is what I'm expecting at the moment. However, in between that time, I am also expecting a little bit of a dip, price correction over the next few days. It is likely to hit red candles, dropping down in value, and then slowly starting to gain value again towards the end of this week and next week as well, pumping back up in value, trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. So do expect it to be quite volatile with red and green candles, ups and downs, but the overall outcome does seem to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So do expect an overall minimal increase in value from Milady meme coin over the coming week. Now, moving on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks, now we're looking way too bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and it's looking way too steep as well, meaning this is not realistic. Only reason it's looking so steep is because of the major pump that's been taking place. As you guys can see here, over the week itself it's pumped up 230% in a single week, and over the month a mass near about 500% in a single month, which is again crazy numbers, guys. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, late April, early May, I'm expecting Milady meme coin to be hovering at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. Reason being is because it's pumped up near about 500% in a single month, the crypto is slightly overvalued and it's likely to drop back down, going for a price correction around the next week or two. So late March, I'm expecting more red candlesticks from the crypto, going for a price correction before it slowly starts to gain value again by April, May, trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. So do expect quite of a drop in value by late March, a lot of red candles before it slowly starts to recover again. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale here, we can see that the crypto has broken out from the red zone back on the 8th of March, which was just about 5 days ago, and right now has broken out from the green zone, dark green zone, and trading in the blue zones, which is not as sustainable as it seems. So that is another reason why I'm expecting the crypto to go for a price correction, as it has not resisted at this level and more than likely will drop back down into the dark green zone over the coming days before it slowly starts to break out back into the blue zone towards the end of this week and early next week. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website, the trading volume has gone up over 50% once again, guys, making it $58 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason being is it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours, so it's still getting a lot of attention and a lot of hype around it from both buyers and sellers point of view, hence why we are seeing a lot more people still trading the crypto, and it has been in the top gainers list for the past couple of weeks as well. So comment down below your take on this crypto and this crypto being listed on Binance. I don't see it happening anytime soon, but I've seen a lot of people putting that online, commenting online, saying this is going to get listed on Binance, it's going to get rid of 2 zeros, which I highly doubt. Even if it does get listed on Binance, I'm not expecting it to get rid of 2 zeros, let alone 1 zero as well. It's going to be a little bit of a push, but no one's made it official as of yet that Milady meme coin will get listed on Binance. Let me know your takes and your predictions on this crypto, guys, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.